This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7T versus the Huawei P30 Pro. Now the OnePlus 7T, this one has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10 with its Oxygen OS overlay, versus the Huawei P30 Pro. This one has the Kirin 980, 6 gigs of RAM on Android 9 and its latest version of the EMUI interface. Gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. We'll go check this out, see which phone has the faster boot up. Ooh! Huawei booting up hella fast. There you go. We'll give the win to the Huawei P30 Pro. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over where I have all the apps. And I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. So you can see no recent items on the OnePlus 7T and no recent apps on the Huawei P30 Pro. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, I think that was the Huawei messages. You guys are the judges. We'll go ahead and launch the camera. I'm gonna do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. Oh man, the P30. This is a slippery phone. Wow. Highly recommend a case on this one. Anyway, let's go ahead and launch the camera. You guys are the judges. Get this lint off the phone. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and launch the clock. Very fast on both phones. Run the stopwatch, leave that running. Chrome, let's go. Let's go ahead and do a search for Huawei. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll click on, let's see, what should we click on? This first one. So you can see, oh, can't zoom in. All right, let's go to GSM Arena. Check this one out. Which one is faster? Ooh, oh, you guys are the judges. Really close. I think it's probably the 7T, but I don't know, not that big of a difference. We'll go to the desktop version. We'll go check this out. I don't know, maybe the 7T by just a little bit. This ad came up first on it, but we're gonna go ahead and pinch the zoom on the P30. Very nice. However, oh yeah, on the 7T Pro, with its 90 Hertz display, that is buttery smooth. Wow. Yeah, the P30 just looks like a regular phone. This one, very nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and let's see. We'll click on the new Moto Razr. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about the 2020 Motorola Razr. I know I am. Okay, pinch the zoom, a little bit of a lag on the P30, and then super smooth on the 7T. Calculator. Very fast. Play Store. And then we'll do this. Click on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Nope, changed my mind. Amazon. Whoo! Dead heat. Click on that. Click on that. Very fast on both, maybe a tad quicker on the 7T. Not that big of a difference though. eBay, lightning quick. Click on this. This one a little bit faster on the 7T. That could have been just the Wi-Fi though, so you can take that with a grain of salt if you want. Super Mario Run, loading on both phones. Ooh, a little bit faster on the P30. Tap to begin. And again, a little bit faster on the Huawei. This one. Temple Run 2 Spooky Ridge. Oh, which one's out in front? Let's find out in a second. A little bit faster on the 7T. Tap to play. Close this out. So you can see this one, Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Let's see which one comes out on top. Ooh, 7T. And the win goes to the OnePlus 7T on this. So you can see. I'm telling you, I don't know about this whole swiping thing from the edge on Android 10. I think I may prefer the old school nav buttons. I don't know. We'll see. Asphalt 9 Legends. Anyway, which one will come out on top? Oh, give this to the P30. So you can see, not by much though. Yeah, these two are just going neck and neck. PUBG Mobile. Tencent Games. Oh, 7T out in front. Downloading quick file on the left. Same thing on the Huawei. Oh, what happened here? Okay, we'll try that again. Go. Maybe I have to restart the game because of that download. I don't know. And here we go. Oh, hearing noise from the 7T first. Loading on the 7T first. Will the P30 catch up? Nope. We'll give the win to the OnePlus 7T. Although this one has one more pop-up, really not that big of a difference. Both phones are lightning quick. Just running through these apps like nothing. And get rid of this pop-up. Okay, and where's the picture? It's this one. All right, now this is an 8K image on both phones. That step a little bit faster on the 7T. All right, so let's go ahead and click on white balance, just the one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna click on flash, that's the filter. I'm gonna jack this up all the way, and it actually looks pretty good. Click on that, and then we're gonna save the gallery, see which one saves faster. Go. A little bit faster on the 7T, as you can see. Twitter. Very close. IG. Thai. WhatsApp. Whoo! Dead heat. And finally, Snapchat. Very close. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. And yeah, again, with the OnePlus's 90Hz display, going through these apps, like this app switcher, very smooth. And on the P30, yeah, 60Hz display just feels like your regular phone, every other phone, but the 90Hz really does make a difference here. It's just buttery smooth. Very nice. All right, so let's just go ahead and run through these apps again. There you go. See what happens. Look for any lags or stutters. Anything interesting that might happen. I have a feeling both phones will just go through these like nothing though, but we'll see. Huawei does have 6 gigs of RAM. OnePlus has 8, so advantage OnePlus. But let's see what happens right now. And then this one. Angry Birds 2, and it looks like we have a reload here on the Huawei. All right, so one reload on the Huawei. There we go, Temple Run 2. And again, the reload on Huawei. Gotta do this weird. On the Huawei, you have to like scroll up 3 times from the bottom to get this to pop up. There you go, Mario Run. Mario time on both. And then eBay. Okay, again, another reload on the Huawei. All right, so the P30 is just reloading stuff now, so you can see. All right. So a little bit of a limitation there. Recovers fairly quickly though, so not too bad, but something to keep in mind. And then we do have the clock here. The camera, gonna do it like this. Man, this P30 is slippery. Wow, gotta be careful. Get a case for this phone if you have it. Ooh, a little bit faster on the P30 on the camera. Okay, messages. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.